What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Flying Brian's Garage. I made a deal. I got some tires. So, this video today we're going to put some tires on the GT. About to go get them. So, see you guys in a minute. Alright, so, unfortunately it's the next day. I have some bad news. I screwed up big time. I was editing and getting the stuff off of the camera to the computer, and instead of copy and pasting, I cut and pasted the videos, and I had a million things on my mind. I was running through the office there, and I went to go plug something up to charge it. I think it was one of my cameras, and long story short, I don't know why I did it. I unplugged the computer. Wasn't thinking about it. Well, when I did, it was on the last two videos, and I was installing the tires on the tractor, and then it was the finished product video, and they got corrupted. They were in the middle of the pasting process when my stupid ass cut the power. So, no retrieving them. Once I cut them off of the camera, they were gone. So, long story short, I got the tires put on the tractor. We took it for a ride. It performed awesome. Here's the old 489s that were on it. They have no tread at all. I was wrong about what tires were in this pile. There was no mud bugs. There was not a set of 489s. There was only one. It's the same size as the ones I had, and I have a wheel for it. There's a 26 by 8 by 12 Polaris tire that's kind of I just took it anyway. He gave me all these tires for 20 bucks, so I went ahead and snatched them. We've got a Goodyear Goodyear 22 by 10 by 9. It's a Tracker HP. I actually used to have one of these. I just actually got it from him because it's like a memory. It's on one of my first tractors I ever had, so yeah. We got a 22 by 11 by 8, like a knobby tire. It's got a wheel. Then we have, which I thought was a mud bug, it's a 25 by 12 by 9 Maxxis Sure Track. So we got that, and we got two Deestone Swamp Witches. And the only thing that I'm upset about the Swamp Witches is the only two that was in that pile was a 25 by 10 by 12 and a 25 by 8 by 12. I needed grips so bad I went ahead and put them on, but I do not at all like the difference in my tire widths. What I'm probably going to end up doing is ordering a brand new 25 by 10 by 12 Deestone Swamp Witch, putting it on this side, saving that as a spare. Oh, these wheels also I got, wheels and tires, 21 by 7 by 10 H-Track R&Ts. They're old. They are a bit dry rotted, but the treads are okay. So what I'm going to see if I can do is clean up the wheels, get the beads to seat and maybe the tires to hold air, and then I'm going to make some more hubbed up wheels, like so, and they're going to go on the front of the GT. And I'm also thinking about maybe taking those front wheels, putting them on the 4000, because those are 18s, those are 20s. Then what I'm probably going to do is take the 18s, flip around, and maybe put them on the trailer, off-road trailer build. Or I might make some more hubs, kick the wheels out, and put some of those damn beefy ass aggressive mud tires on the trailer. I might just stick them all the way out the side. I mean, it'd be a wide wheelbase, but I guess that would keep me from tipping my trailer more too. So I mean, I'd have disadvantages when I'm coming to roll through small spots where I can't fit that trailer through. But you know, there's advantages and disadvantages. So that's my plan with everything. I'm keeping these. I don't know what I'm going to use them for. I probably ain't never going to put them back on that tractor, but I don't know. I don't want to get rid of them yet. I'm kind of a tire hoarder. I've got another tire over here. I've got other tires, like, you know, Carlisle Turf Savers, 20 by 8s, 20 by 10. We got more wheels, front wheels to cut down. So 15 by 6 by 6 tires. I got a 25 by 8 by 12 Dunlop here. This is the trailer build I want to put some tires on. I got to put tires back on that damn three-wheeler. But yeah, this tire pile's pretty good, you know. Man, yeah, that's some good shit in here. There's some that's bad, there's some that's good. I mean, you see. But I'm still trying to maybe see, because I didn't dig all the way in there. I'm hoping that maybe, just maybe, that 25 by 10 by 12 Deestone Swamp Witch will be sitting down in there for me. Now I will tell you right now, I would rather have a 25 by 10 by 12, but if I dug in that pile and the only thing I found was the other 25 by 8 by 12, I'd fucking throw that 8 on there and I'd run it. I'd prefer the wider wheelbase, but I think I would go with the 8. I'd be happy with that. I just don't like the difference. It bugs me. It doesn't look right. I know it's going to perform the same. Well, not exactly the same. I mean, it does great. I took it out last night and checked it out. This thing was standing up, and it ain't never done that. It's just the damn... I don't know. I'm a little weird when it comes to looks. If it don't look right, it's just not right. So that's something I've got to figure out. I'm gonna either buy another 8 and put an 8 on this side, or I'm gonna buy another 10 and do a 10 on that side and save that 8. Either way, I'm gonna do one. And then I need to get rid of this Carlisle HE489. It's wore out. What I want to do, since this tire looks almost brand new, like it's got really good tread on it, and it's a ambush, CST ambush. I want to get one of those and swap it out for that side. So I need to buy a brand new one of these, or try to find one used, and a brand new or used Deestone Swamp Witch, the same exact size. That way I'd have matching tires. So I've got to actually run to about 3 towns over, unfortunately, because that's what happens when you live in the middle of nowhere. I gotta go get some welding wire because I ran out. That's why I've been on hold about the finishing the beast front end. I've only got a small thing to weld and the steering is done. It's just the rest of that, I guess you would call it the driver side. I mean, there's not really a driver and a passenger, but if we're going by car, just to tell you which side it is, it's the driver side, the clutch side of the unit. I still need to weld up one end connect on the steering rod and put full beads around that, check its durability, put it on, and the steering's done. Completely done. So I'm happy about that. I'm ready to get it done. So I'm actually about to run to Thomaston, grab some welding wire, come back here to the shop and get that thing done. So if you want to see that steering finished, go to the other video. You'll see it up there. It'll say the steering's finished. So there's one clip I didn't delete, and that is the clip that I took last night of me taking it down here in the woods and checking it out for the first time with the brand new used Deestone Swamp Witches on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and play that clip now. Time to see what she'll do with these new tires. Ooh, my brakes are already way better. I don't slide. I wish one was the other size as the other one, but I gotta do what I got right now. Alright, Deestone Swamp These are good tires. Deestone Swamp Witches. Hell yeah.